Hey guys, Sahana here and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to make a tent using any resources you could find at your house. Tomorrow, which is going to be next video, I am going to do a 24 hours challenge. And the challenge is I have to stay in that tent for 24 hours. So the first thing we need is something to support the tent. And I found something in the house that is pretty much common in every house is a chair. This is the room that I'm going to be building the tent in. I'm going to be moving the three objects, the chalkboard, the chair and the stool with the doll on top, to another room. Right now I'm showing you the whole view of the bedroom. That's the huge fan. And this is the bed. And these are all my paintings. Now I'm going to be pushing the chairs to the room so I can build the tent. I'm going to be moving the chair, the chalkboard and the stool to the next room. We have this big empty space to build the tent in. Okay guys, now I'm going to be moving all the 4 chairs, 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. The back of the chairs will act like a wall and a support for when we put the bed sheets on the tent. Now I'm going to use these 2 sticks that I detached from the brooms, and you can also do the same too if you don't have any sticks laying around. These sticks are going to be used as support for when we put the cloth on top of our tent. Now I'm going to use this huge bed sheet as the cover of the tent. Now since this place here is hollow, I'm going to be using a cardboard piece that I found, so I can just slide it in under the bed sheet so it won't be hollow anymore. But if you guys don't have the cardboard that I have, then you guys can skip it. I'm just using it because I have it. Now after we put the cardboard, it's not hollow anymore. Now I'm going to use these thick blankets as a mattress for the tent. I'm going to use this pillow so it will become more comfortable. I found this pillow that I'm also going to keep as a decoration. Yes, now it looks much better. I'm going to put the blankets now. Now I'm going to be decorating the tent. I'm using some of my hair accessories to do so. Now I'm going to be rolling the bed sheet so it will have this cool effect. And now I'm attaching the bow and using the hanger as support because the bow is a clip-on and it won't stay without the hanger. Now it stays tightly. I'm using my white flowery rubber bands so I can tie up the sides to make it look like curtains. Now the tent is pretty much done and on the inside it's soft. Now since we're done with the tent, you can add anything you want. So guys, this is the end of the video. And remember, this video is made with no cost at all. Only materials found in your house. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Share my videos with your family and friends. And I'm also on Instagram, so please do check it out for my latest updates. And bye!